Hey guys, let's focus on this. Let me show you how to remove the background easily without delay. Let's just simply drop in any picture. So this is the picture that we're going to use, this one. Okay, let me put it there. I'm gonna drop in a background picture, just any background. I can put these things right here, just like that. All right, so from there, what I'm going to do right here, as you can see, we are going to duplicate this one, alternative keys on the keyboard, and then left mouse button, click and drag, just like that. Okay, all right, and then you can simply press curly bracket, just like the control curly bracket, to bring it to the front. So let's check it out. Yep, okay, now let's just increase it, just like that. So now we are going to change the background. Sorry guys. Okay, we are going to change the background right here. You can see there's a background there. So what we're going to do right now, simply go direct into these selection tools, and then click that, and then come here and drop it like this, or you can simply draw it. So we are going to see what will happen. Right click on the picture after that, and then goes direct to fader, and then remove it by clicking this. Now we are done. So the next move that we can do after we complete doing this, we can simply press E on our keyboard, which is, we can bring us the erase tool. We can reduce the size by simply pressing the curly bracket. Okay, now I can simply smooth this, just like that. All right, so there we are done. So this is the original. The originals right here. We have original here, which is this one. This is original, and okay, let me increase it, just like that. So this is what we have, which is the one that we just did. Now we can simply duplicate it when we want to, as many as we want. Like I say, guys, I'm trying to show you guys something. Okay, so that is the challenge. So do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.